been basting along the way. Ooh, it's looking good. Now remember, at the 3-hour mark, we're going to take out the cheesecloth. So we remove the tent. Now, we're going to remove the cheesecloth. It's hot. Ow. It's looking good. It's looking moist.
Juicy.
We have to introduce our new helper. Lauren has added to the fray. So it's Aunt Becky, Lauren, and myself with the final touches on the bird. Now you can see the bird is nice and moist. He is looking good. He is cooked up at the top. And we are going to do a couple things now. We're going to unpin him by taking the pins out. So we will do that. Would you like to take some pins out, Lauren?
Yeah. That's good. Has some good flavor. We want to go now that you're here.